Hi there, Sarah Stout here. Let's talk about our amazing nonfiction from Usborne Books More that just came out spring 2021. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I have to share is my oldest son's very favorite series. This is a new edition called 100 Things to Know About the Oceans. So we have things like science, about food, about the body, and more. Cannot say enough good things about these. We literally read and just delve into every single one of these. Every page is so well done. They're so engaging and there's so many interesting facts. So excited about that one. We have a new addition to our Understanding series. This one's called Understanding Climate Crisis. So this whole series is so fun to help. It's a crossover series for adults, but for kids as well. But to help understand things like the climate crisis, or understand politics and government, or the economics or money or whatever it might be. Wonderful series, like I said, for kids and adults alike. New to this catalog, but I'll show all the books in the series, are the Physics of Popcorn, the Math of a Milkshake. These ones came out a little bit earlier, or a little bit last year. These ones are called The Biology of Banana and The Chemistry of Cola. So these four in this series, which you can get as a collection or individually, these 4 kitchen science books are so fun to teach kids. There's projects throughout to teach kids all about math or chemistry or physics, but different science and math about things that are within their own kitchen and in their own homes. I cannot say enough good about those books. Great for supplementing school or for homeschool as well. This is a new one to our Lift the Flap series. So we have Lift the Flap for younger kids and for older kids alike. So this one's called Looking After the Planet. If you can see behind me, I have a rainbow of colors from this series and other Lift the Flap books. But there are wonderful pictures to teach kids, in this case, all about how they can look after the planet. If you have a puzzle lover in your life, this one is new, called the Human Body Book and Jigsaw Puzzle. So there's a book and a puzzle to put together. We have some more fiction like periodic table, or nonfiction like periodic table of the elements, book and puzzle. But we also have fiction as well. So Cinderella and things like that. So there are a wide array of piece sizes and fun puzzles that you can do together as a family. This is brand new to our Peek Inside series called Peek Inside Snowy Places. So the series is so fun. There's little peek through pages where you peek through to the next page, flaps to lift, as you're learning, in this case, all about snowy places. So this series, there is a Peek Inside nonfiction and then Peek Inside fairy tales that are the most beautiful books we own. They are just so gorgeous. These ones are such fun little handheld books for young learners called Little Lift and Look. So there's a garden one, there's an under the sea one, and then there's a woods one. And they have the cool thing about this is the flaps are actually attached to the page. So if you have a little kid who loves to rip, these ones are great because they actually attach to the page. And so it's not like it's going to rip off the page, because it's actually a part of the page, which makes it so fun. We have, in addition to our Finger Trail series, we had a Finger Trail ABC come out last year, and now we have Finger Trail ABC Big Letters. So these ones are so fun as kids are practicing and learning all about the different letters. So there's colorful pictures, they can match the animal to the letter, and then of course trace their finger along or feel the bubbles or feel the different trails throughout. Such an amazing series. If you are looking for STEAM books, we have so many, and a ton of different activity books and nonfiction as well. So there's STEAM. This is an invention scribble book, but there's also other scribble books that we have for both math and science. Great even keepsakes when they're finished with them. There are things like Amazing Discoveries of 100 Brilliant Scientists that have wonderful pictures throughout, internet links so you can learn more about the books, or learn more about the things as you're reading. And then we have things like Getting Started with Science that are teaching kids basic scientific principles as they're understanding the world around them. So I hope this is helpful as you are delving in and learning more about our nonfiction that we carry with Usborne Books and More. Thank you. Bye.